The world we are living in nowadays is more and more connected every minute that passes. Technology and globalization have really enabled us to reach out information, products, and connectivity with cities that are thousands of miles away from where we are. Nevertheless, and in spite that we have every tool available for reaching out global data, I've always thought that going global is a big challenge, not simple at all. But it's definitely an adventure that, with the correct level of openness and responsibility, can be the best experience of your life. Now, why becoming an international citizen? Well, the movement of ideas and culture through media and technology is growing. International politics and international relations create systems in which we are all living nowadays. And environmentally, we are all responsible for the health and future of our planet. I think any global person must be totally respectful and tolerant, also open-minded and practice integrity in his or her daily life. A global person must be adaptable, resilient, and have no fear of change. Must be intrepid, responsible, and empathic with the people he or she will work in the journey of going global. Also, patience and perseverance are key elements of a global attitude, because most of the times, going global means adventuring all alone, and you must have a strong courage to keep going on, even when obstacles seem to be greater than the possible imagined. Additionally, I consider integrity and passion for overcoming challenges that are main characteristics of a global human being. You have to develop awareness and a positive attitude to different global scenarios. I can say that the ideologies or attitudes that go against being global are mainly fear to the unknown, intolerance, apathy, and lack of discipline. When talking about entrepreneurship, of course. The lack of patience and flexibility also avoids people to go further in the process of internationalization. I truly believe that in order to become global and to leave your print in the international network, you must not be alien and apathetic to the actual global situation, political, economic, and cultural. Now, talking about pros and cons on this globalization situation and topic. About the pros, staying in touch with friends and colleagues from around the world. Let's remember that technology has enabled us to communicate easier and faster with people that is all over another and across other seas and oceans. Also, you can access to information about global markets very easily. You can make business with people from other countries without even seeing face to face. You can also access to competitive prices and product variation from other markets. Global and economic growth with free trade agreements. Also foreign investment and technology development in poor countries. And finally, corporations and public governments that are working together for ecological solutions. And now, talking about the cons, many people complain that globalization have made the rich richer and the poor poorer. Maybe that's true. Some countries have very high VATs also. Job opportunities are created more in countries with cheap hand labor, like Mexico. Also, multinational corporations are now accused of influencing local political decisions. China, for example, often copies or steals technology from other countries and other companies. Globalization and access to other cultures has also led to diseases spread. Anyway, having the correct attitude, we can always find a positive in this topic. So here, some actions to become global. First, you must be aware of your role in your community, and then think about how you could reapply your local actions into a higher level of people being impacted. Also, create a social network with people that have things in common with you. Like this, you will be able to notice how we can be very alike even if we live in completely different parts of the world. Also, you must respect and value diversity. Finally, a global citizen must develop a problem-solving and a decision-taking mindset, proactivity, and teamwork or collaboration with people from different cultures and beliefs.